Gavana ma kaunti ma Homa Bay Mikael Gladys Wanga oyango yorego mago mag tiyo kod lony manyasani kaka achiel kuom okenge mago mag dongruoge mano mabende piny owacho mare osebedo kakete maino. Ne owacho magi sechego mago mabende ne ochiwo twak mare makende mar yango okenge mabende piny owacho mare osegoyo. Ne owacho ni nyaka gi sani oganda kaachiel kod telo mano mar Homa Bay osegoyo okanga kendo kata rowere bende oseyudo tije. Wacho ni sekta mar pur bende oseting malo ka kata chichni bende oseyawo. Wanga ne otiyo kod thuolo maket koda mano mar jiwo kata kwayo jogo mawuok e kaunti ma Homa Bay mar mondo mi obi omiye thuolo mano mar ariyo mar telo ne kaunti no mar mondo mi ochop kare moko kuom lek mabende ne entiere godo ne kaunti ma Homa Bay.
On digital innovation and governance, the county launched the Homa Bay Digital Participation and Disaster Alert System, strengthening both civic engagement and emergency communication. Through SMS and USSD platforms, the system has already reached over 150,000 residents, improving access to government information while strengthening public awareness on budgeting and civic processes. The platform provides early disaster alerts, helping in reducing losses during extreme weather events. To ensure inclusivity in areas with limited connectivity, particularly island communities, the county has deployed modern outreach units and local radio partnerships, ensuring critical information reaches residents across the county. On county public service, while acknowledging the challenge of a huge wage bill, we have moved to adopt digital HR systems and solutions that enhance staff performance. The state of Homa Bay County is defined by real substance and transformation. Simply put, youth are engaged, farmers are producing, markets are expanding, water is reaching homes, women and girls are safe, the vulnerable are protected, children are learning in dignified spaces, efforts are being made to make roads passable, we are building systems and foundations, we are united in purpose. The best days for Homa Bay are ahead of us. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, for the transformation work we have done in Homa Bay County, we deserve another term. We deserve, all of us combined, we deserve to be re-elected to continue the work of building Homa Bay County. And that goes for the executive and the honorable